Once again.
Hi guys, today I'm showing you how to make computer with a cardboard. So we need this cardboard, and this cardboard is domino cardboard. This is pizza cardboard. You can see. Now we are making the computer. So guys, now we are recycling this cardboard. And you even can see this. This is that's look what's here. This says to recycle it. We don't have to throw it. We have to recycle it. You can see it's right here either. So guys, we need some glue and one scale and crayons, one pencil and one scissor. So now let's make a computer, guys. So guys, now let's mark this up. So let me mark it. Do it here. Now here. So guys, now we are done marking it. You can see. Now we will cut it with a scissor. Let's put it here. And this is a blue scissor. Now let's cut it. Guys, now let's cut it. Okay, so guys, we have cut it these two strips, and these two strips will be our computer wire. This wire will hold the computer keyboard, and this wire will hold the mouse. And so guys, now I am cutting the screen and the keyboard. So let's cut it. So now let's cut it from here. So you can see we have done cutting it. This is the screen and this is the keyboard. So guys, now we have to paste the border line of the computer. So now let's put the glue here. That's the white glue. Let's take now. Let's paste it. So guys, now let's do the second part. Let's paste the second one. Done. Now let's put the side corners. This one. Let's take the glue and paste this and put it and paste this here. So guys, now let's put the last strip like this. Let's paste it. And now we are done putting strips in the strip. So you can see here. So guys, now let's cut the keyboard buttons. So now let's cut one button, two button, three button, four button, five button, and so 6 and 7. So you can see we have the all buttons. Now we have to arrange and paste all buttons. So let's paste it. Let's take the glue. So guys, now let's paste this. Now guys, now let's paste this here. Now we paste the buttons. This one. This starting to looking amazing already, guys. Right. If you like our computer, then subscribe to our channel. I think you will really like it because we worked so hard to make it. More glue and stick it on it and put it like this. So guys, now let's put more buttons. This one, put it here, this, and this one. Guys, now let's paste the last one here. So guys, our keyboard is ready. See, these are the buttons of the keyboard. And you can see my hand is so dirty because I am working so hard. So guys, our keyboard and screen is ready. Now we have to make the let's cut it. Now let's glue this. Take some glue and rub it. Now let's press it here, and let's take the glue and take another button and press it. Now put it here. Now let's put this stamp in the middle. Let's take some glue. Let's put it here and take it and put it here like this. Now screen and mouse and keyboard is ready. You can see and it's looking so pretty, right? Now guys, let's draw the screen of the computer here. First we have to draw the computer screen, then color it with these colors. So guys, we are done making mouse, keyboard and screen. Now we have to draw the screen here and color screen here and color it with these pretty shiny crayons. Now guys, we have to color this screen, and this screen is same. Now this screen is same size of this screen folder. This monitor to color this in this side. Now let's color. Guys, now let's color this. Guys, now let's color this. Now let's color this, guys. Now guys, I am done coloring this. So now let's paste it. Let's take some glue in my finger and put it on the screen like this. Take some more glue. Let's paste this. Now we are done pasting this. So guys, we have done making computer. Is this looking pretty? And if you so guys, we have connected this wire with this keyboard and this monitor and this wire with the mouse and the monitor. And is it looking pretty? I think if you like so guys, I already have done making the big one, and look, these are looking same, right? And these two are looking so pretty either. And so guys, I hope you like our computer, and you now you know how to make this computer. And if you like our computer, then subscribe to our channel. Okay, bye bye, tata, love you all. Bye bye.